Hi friends, Marjolaine here with a quick video using Gelpress Impressables and foam stamps. For my first layer, I am using a 5x7 Gelpress plate and adding some white as well as some yellow. And I will be spreading the paint across the plate with a Gelpress brayer. And as you can see, my Gelpress plate is not very clean, and there's a perfectly good explanation for that. I'm just really not into cleaning, and I happen to like the little flakes that it leaves behind when I leave it dirty. And so here I have my Gelpress plate attached to a acrylic block, and now I'm just flipping it over and kind of using it as a stamp. And I'm pleased with this first layer, so now I'm going to move on to the second layer. So for my second layer, I'm using the Impressables overlapping circles. I've gone ahead and cut out a 5x7 template so that I can measure it correctly to the first layer. And I'm using some gold and yellow, and just rolling the paint with my brayer onto the Impressables. So now I'm going to use the Faith Impressions plate to create a border at the top and bottom of my page. And I'm using some masking tape to create a straight line. I'm just going to peel back the masking tape so that I can see through the plate and line it up the way I want it. Next, I'm going to use some letter foam stamps to add some words to the page. I had already done it in white, but it really didn't turn out, so now I'm attempting it again with red. I'm lining up my letters on an acrylic plate so that I can peek underneath to make sure that they're in the right direction and order. And I'm just pressing each letter into the paint to leave an impression. Next, I'm going to use some carbon paper to trace on the Bible verse, which is Acts 16:26. The reason I do this is not because I don't like my writing, but I just don't like how I end up placing the writing, and so I like to set it up on my computer first, and then I just have a better idea of where things need to go. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll click the like button and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.